The massive snowstorm yesterday, so everybody got their horses out so they could get to work and to daycare.
Run, horsey.
Did you get it, Lola? You gotta squeeze the button. Squeeze it. There you go. Do you want to get down and play with the horsies? Maria's been sitting at the counter drinking her milk. Go get a horse.
Hey, another one.
This is the disaster that is the snowstorm.
Yesterday looked really nice out. Now it's that.
Yeah, there was no snow on the ground yesterday morning. I wish we would have done a video that day too. They said it was supposed to be a. They had said there was supposed to be a big snowstorm. Everybody's like, psh, it's not gonna snow. There's no snow on the ground, and turns out we ended up getting a lot of wet, heavy snow, and now it's just really blowing. I don't even think it's snowing anymore.
It is a little.
But it's drifted up. So you can kind of see right in front of the Jeep there that there's a big old drift. There's a drift that goes from the back of the barn, around the barn, and all the way to the road. It was out in the road last night, but we're just getting ready to go to work, and then we're gonna drop the kids off at daycare, and then we'll check into you later. Well, here's the wintry mix we have. So not too bad. I was expecting a lot worse, but it's still blowing, so it still has the potential to be real nasty. Who remembers when winters in Michigan, it used to be like this for 3 months nonstop? I do. I mean, anymore it seems like anytime it snows it's a big catastrophe, but this is nothing. I mean, you can still see the corn stalks out in the field. You can still see the grass in my yard. It's not that bad. I mean, I know there's bad spots and the roads are icy, but I mean, it used to be knee deep all the time. So, but just crazy how things have changed.